This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, now let's shift to the gold market. On the gold market, as we announced yesterday and discussed this moment, that the current retracement down is not quite logical from the perspective of the development any extensions on the market. Usually market shows extensions either to 618 extension or completion point of the ABCD to the 100% extension, and shows retracement either from the first one or from the second target. But here we have some sort of the unnatural price action when the market has starts the retracement between these positions from some sort of the semi position, because 618 extension was right here, 100% extension is right here, but market has passed 50% of this distance and turned to the downside. But as we yesterday already said, that this level 88 resistance very typical for the butterfly, and from that point of view, that's why I think that the butterfly pattern still could appear on the gold market. We will not focus on this moment with the details, because we have discussed this within the previous week and the week before. The idea of the current move down is still the same. The major question is what we could do now and what to be focused on within the today trading session. On the daily time frame, we see also that market stands now below the monthly pivot point. With this move down, squared line is the monthly pivot point, 1606.5 and a half. Weekly pivot, monthly pivot support one stands right here, is around 1527, 1528 area, slightly lower than the target of the butterfly. Trend is still bullish on the daily time frame, but this price action could really shift to the right wing of the butterfly and could accelerate further to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we have discussed yesterday the respect of this confluence support area. Sorry for that mess, but I have to hold as the confluence support to the other patterns just to explain the overall situation. So we see how market responds on the confluence support. As you can see, some bounce, and yesterday we said that if market could form the stop grabber on the hourly time frame, it could show the upward move. But if it will fail, and it has failed, be ready for the challenging of these lows, and probably market really could continue move down, because at the second test of this confluence support, this area will be weaker, and we already see that was first touch, retracement, second touch, shallow retracement up, and downward continuation. In fact, here we could get the butterfly buying on the 4-hour time frame that could trigger some deeper retracement from the major 618 support, from the 1582, 1583 area. So, but that circumstances currently, I think that we should be ready for possible downward move, because we see that market now stands below the weekly pivot point as well. It has tested already the weekly pivot support one that stands inside of this area. So that area was the really significant support. It includes the confluence support, weekly pivot support one, and the target 1618 extension of that initial ABCD pattern. So market has shown the reasonable respect to that. But since market hasn't started the upward move to the upside right to the target of the ABCD pattern, from the short-term perspective, I think that market will probably challenge of these lows and will try to continue move down. And within the current trading session, it means that we should be focused on the potential target around 1580, 1590 area. Sorry, 1580, 1585 probably. From the medium-term perspective, this means that since this move down will be probably more than just respect of this ABCD pattern, and it will not quite logical retracement on the daily time frame, this could mean that market could fail with the ABCD pattern now on the daily time frame and could really turn to the forming of the butterfly. Anyway, keep an eye on this development. On the hourly time frame, we see what levels to watch for. So we see here that market has hit the 1618 extension of the downward move. Now turns to some retracement. Pay attention. that 100% extension stands below of this low. It means that this low will hardly hold. And this level also stands below of the all significant support areas, or significant levels that we have just discussed. From that standpoint, you could be focused on the area around 1597, 1598 to search for the possibility to enter short. The minimum target is around 1585. That is for current trading session. But if you are trading on the higher time frames, you probably could be focused on a bit deeper move down, since this move really could lead to the challenging of the previous significant support area around 1530, 1535 area.